everybody. My name is Chris Berry, and I am president and founder of House Mountain Partners, which is a firm focused on strategic advisory along the battery metal supply chain for investors, corporates, and academia across 6 continents. I'm currently based in Washington, D.C., after having spent about 20 plus years of my career in finance in New York. With respect to the Fastmarkets conference upcoming, I'll be involved with 2 events. First, I'm going to be moderating a discussion of lithium pricing dynamics. Joining me will be Peter Hanna from Fastmarkets, Kevin Smith from Traxys, Antonio Macero from the LME, and Gregor Spiker from the CME. Some of the goals of this session include determining how market participants are adjusting to the pricing volatility, how to hedge and protect margins, gauging the success of LME and CME contracts that are out in the wild now, and then finally the impact on the Pilbara Minerals spodumene auction process, the impact that has had on the industry specifically. Secondly, I'm very pleased to announce that I'll be hosting a fireside chat on lithium geopolitics with Mr. Joe Lowry and Mr. Daniel Jimenez. Neither of these gentlemen, I think, need an introduction, but for those of you who are unfamiliar with them, Joe is, of course, Mr. Lithium, or better known as Mr. Lithium, and has an extensive career in the lithium business as a former manager at FMC in both Japan and China for a number of decades. Daniel, not to be outdone, has had a distinguished career at SQM and most recently founded and runs Ely Markets, which is a consultancy focused on data interpretation with respect to battery metals and, of course, the growth in the lithium business. The goals for this session include getting some clarity on the volatility the sector has seen in recent years, highlighting some underappreciated themes and pouring cold water on overhyped ideas, and a closer look at the deglobalization theme and how the rest of the world can and will compete with China in the coming years. As I mentioned earlier, maybe you can tell from the tone of my voice, I'm really excited to be involved in this, and it's going to be great to be back in person. If you had any comments or any questions for either set of panelists, you can find me on LinkedIn, and I'm also out there on Twitter at @cberry1. Thanks very much, and looking forward to seeing everybody.